Well, here's the crazy chirper kit. So I have it set up right now. For the settings in here, this is for the sensitivity of the CDS cell. And this right here kind of controls the pitch. So when there's light on, it's this element here and it turns the machine off. But as soon as the lights go down or off, where's that crazy bug? They look around a little bit, can't find it. Turn the lights back off. And here we go. So I'm going to adjust, it's probably a little hard to see in here, but right by this lead, I think you can see my screwdriver. I'm going to just adjust this to show you the sensitivity. And there is a little bit of light in the room. I'll turn it back to where I had it. And then I take the screwdriver to the second place, which is by the speaker, and I'm going to turn that so you guys can see what that does. Turn a little bit more. Sounds like a frog. Let me adjust the sensitivity again of the front element. Oops. And let me adjust Canadian goose. Where is that thing? And it magically disappears. I hope you like the kit demonstration. Have a great day.